Okay, so we are going to try.
What
is ice cream?
Ice cream. Fruit roll up.
Okay.
Okay, can I take the fruit roll up? Okay, we got 2. One for me, one for you. Can I take mine?
You gotta open it up and take the wrapper off.
I can leave this right here. So when it's done, I'm gonna like show it in the garbage. So take this.
Okay, once you get the wrapper out, then we're gonna spread the ice cream on there.
Yeah, but mine, I can't take off mine. Could you please help me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
You
I
got
just
it?
took it off.
Okay.
You spread it on mine and yours?
Yeah, and then we gotta roll it up.
Okay, but can I roll up mine and you roll up yours? Because mine's is mine's. Yours is yours. Then we leave it in the freezer for a little bit?
No, we don't leave it in the freezer. We just roll it up. Okay,
roll it up.
Roll it up.
Roll it up. Roll it up. Roll it up. I think I need a little help. You can do it for me. Why is it making
It's already cracking. Okay.
Roll it up.
Okay, now we take a bite. You gotta take a bite. See if it cracks.
I don't think this is good. It's super cold. I can eat it. It's super cold.
It's too cold?
Yeah.
Super good.
Yeah, I'm not eating it.
No?
No, it's super sweet. Let me just eat it. Just a little bite. That's super cold.
Super cold.
Yeah. But Auntie, I want to know ice cream cold. I want to know ice cream cold. Because I do freezing. Like normally this cold is not freezing, but this is super freezing.
All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye everyone.